Ah, good. Okay, guys, welcome to Anatomy and Physiology. During this class, you are going to learn about each and every organ system of your body and how it works. But now I just want to review an overview of each system, starting with our first one pictured here, the cardiovascular system, which is your heart and your vessels, hence cardiovascular. It includes your heart and your arteries and veins. With all these things, your blood is circulated through your whole body in a whole circular motion, bringing the blood and oxygen to every part needed. Another system that we will be covering is the digestive system, which starts with your mouth and ends at the bottom all the way through. There's different organs. You have your esophagus and your stomach and your small and large intestines and your rectum and your colon. And through this process, your food is mechanically and chemically digested and passed through, and what's needed stays with you, and what isn't is excreted. Okay, another system that we'll cover is the endocrine system. This system is responsible for all those wonderful hormones that float through your body, and they're generated in all these different organs and glands that you see here. The endocrine system is known as a ductless system, DUCT, not quack quack, because the hormones are excreted directly into the blood and not into tubes, which would be considered ducts. Okay, next we have our female reproductive system, which consists of your ovaries and the uterus. And this is what helps us, the females that is, reproduce. Another system we'll be covering is the integumentary system. The integumentary system is your skin, but it's not just what you see on the outside. There's many different facets to it that are hidden underneath. Okay, another system we're covering is the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system brings a substance, a liquid substance called lymph, through your whole body. It's actually fluid that's found inside your tissues that forms the lymph. And it circulates through the body, but it doesn't necessarily go in a full circle like your circulatory system. It only goes one way. And you can see all those little green dots. No, he's not turning into the Hulk. He is actually showing you different areas of lymph nodes, and you can note that some areas are clustered and other areas you have single lymph nodes. They actually help filter impurities out. Another system that we'll be covering is the male reproductive system. If you take note, the male testes are also part of the endocrine system. And you'll find that with a lot of our systems, we have multi organs that are in different systems. Your muscular system is obviously all your muscles. And check out the abdomen on this guy. That's how you get your six pack. All those muscles all over there. Your nervous system. Your nervous system is your brain, your spinal cord, and all those nerves that go from it to your extremities. Without your nervous system, you wouldn't feel a thing. Next system is the respiratory system that helps you breathe. It consists of your nose and your lungs. And actually, this helps get the blood and oxygen, actually gets the oxygen into your blood through your respiratory system. The other system that we need is our skeletal system. Our skeletal system helps support our whole entire body along with the muscles. Without our skeletal system, imagine we'd all be just big blobs laying around there. So it's all the bones and cartilage and joints and structures in that. And another system that we're covering is the urinary tract. The urinary system is a vital system. It's one of the most important systems in our body because it really controls a lot of what goes on between our fluid balances, our intake output, our electrolyte balance, and all this wonderful acid base balance, all this wonderful stuff that we will be learning about. So, in a nutshell, that's about all the systems that we will cover during this whole course. Okay.